In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Behance portfolio and portfolio link to LinkedIn. If you want recruiters, clients, or potential collaborators to easily discover your creative work, adding your Behance portfolio to LinkedIn is a smart and professional move. By connecting the two platforms, you make it easier for people viewing your LinkedIn profile to immediately explore your design projects, case studies, and portfolio pieces in one click. To begin, open LinkedIn in your browser and sign into your account. Once you arrive on the homepage, look toward the top area of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose View Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page, where you can customize different sections and showcase your work professionally. Near the top of your profile, locate the Add Section button and click on it. A panel with several profile options will appear on the screen. From there, choose the recommended category and then select Add Featured. The Featured section is designed to highlight important links, media, and content that you want visitors to notice first, making it the ideal place to display your Behance portfolio. Inside the Featured section, click the plus icon to add a new item. You'll see different content options available. Choose the option labeled Add a Link. Before continuing, make sure you already have your Behance portfolio link copied and ready to paste. Now paste your Behance profile URL into the provided field. After a moment, LinkedIn will automatically generate a preview for the link. In many cases, this preview includes a title, image, and short website description. If the preview doesn't appear immediately, give it a few seconds to load properly. Next, click Add to continue. Depending on the current layout of LinkedIn, you may see another confirmation button asking you to add the link again. Once the portfolio preview appears, you'll also have the option to customize the title and description. For the title, use something clean and professional such as Behance Portfolio or Creative Design Portfolio. In the description section, briefly explain what visitors can expect to see. You might mention your design specialties, the types of projects you showcase, or the creative services you focus on. Keep the wording concise, while still giving viewers a reason to click the link. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. Your Behance portfolio will now appear inside the Featured section of your LinkedIn profile, making it visible to anyone who visits your page. Finally, test the link yourself by clicking the new Featured card. It should open your Behance portfolio correctly in a new tab. If something doesn't work properly, simply edit the item and double-check the link for accuracy. Let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.